Hey folks, it's William with All Solar Texas. Today I'm going to reveal my #1 pet peeve that I can't stand about the solar sales industry. Stay tuned. But before we dive in, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap on that notification bell. That keeps you up to date with all the latest energy news that we produce here on the channel, and it does help us out with YouTube a little bit. Lastly, please reach out. If you have any questions whatsoever about solar, please just reach out. Some of the things that I'm going to talk about in this video are not going to be pretty, and it just comes down to people not doing what they ought to be doing in this industry. So we can protect you from that. If you just reach out to us, we'll make sure to educate you, we'll make sure to inform you, and lastly, we're here for you. At the end of the day, I see it as I work for you. So please give us a call, check out our website. I look forward to hearing from you. Okay, so I've really had it with the solar sales predatory people that are in this industry. I just received another call, and I can't tell you how many countless calls I get from customers that have been lied to. My #1 pet peeve, and that's all I'm going to talk about in this video, is solar salespeople that lie to customers about what they sign. Bottom line, if you sign something, any document, you are signing a contract. You are signing a solar loan. You are signing something that obligates you to purchase that system. Please, before you sign anything, please read over the language, because these solar salespeople, like this poor boy Cody that just gave me a call, he's a single father, has a 26-year-old son. He gave me a call and said, "Hey Will, I just had a visitor from a door-to-door sales guy for solar, and I like what he had to say, but I thought, you know what, before we proceed, I might just want to kind of check out and do a little research. So I found your YouTube video online, and I decided to give you a call." I said, "Okay, sir, yeah, thank you so much for giving me a call." He said, "Yeah, so this site assessment is happening this week, and so I thought, while there's still time, I would reach out and see what my other options were." That's when I stopped him. I said, "Site assessment? Did you sign anything?" "Well, yes, sir, but they said it wasn't a contract, no obligation. It's just what they needed to get the paperwork rolling." "All right, sir, what did you sign?" "Well, let me pull it up here." Sure enough, it was a contract. It was a contract for over $80,000. That contract was loaded with dealer fees. That contract was loaded with all types of adders and things that he did not ask for. Yet he was not aware. He wasn't informed that he had signed a contract, a legally binding document. So the first thing I told him, I said, "Well, how long ago did you sign it?" He said, "Sunday." I said, "Well, today's Tuesday. Make sure you cancel that thing. How do you feel about being lied to?" He didn't like it. That's what we're here for, folks. If I can do one thing, if I can communicate one reason why I got into this business, it's because we believe in this product, and we are tired of dirtbag salesmen ruining this industry and ruining the product. It's sleazier than used car salesmen, some of the tactics that they use. So please, if you watch no other videos, watch this video and recognize if you sign something, make sure you ask what you're signing. Make sure you ask them point blank that it's a contract, and do not sign anything before reading it. When folks sign contracts with us, they know what they're signing. They know that they have a 3-day termination window. They're completely comfortable with the terms and conditions. I don't trick anybody. We are people of faith here at All Solar Texas. We're people of integrity. And I don't care if we never grow beyond a certain capacity. I don't care if we don't make $1 billion in this industry or $1 million. I don't care. What's not going to be sacrificed for us in this company is our integrity. The salespeople that we bring on board, they have integrity. They will never lie to you. And I don't care if we don't grow. I don't care if we can't compete with the big boys, because I want to be able to go to sleep with the sound conscious, knowing that I treated people right, and that the products that they got from us and the services that they got from us were done knowingly and with integrity and with high quality. Outside of that, I don't care. So please, if you're interested in integrity, give us a call. If you don't want to be lied to and you don't want to be manipulated and you want to know what you're signing, give us a call. If you have any questions whatsoever about solar, about the industry, about shoot, we could just talk shop if you want, give us a call. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you so much for subscribing to our YouTube channel. It means a lot to us. It helps keep us right up there on the YouTube channel search when people are looking for answers, but they don't have any. They're not being given any. So I just want to say thank you and reach out to us. We'll take care of you. We'll treat you fairly. We'll be honest. And we do business with integrity here at All Solar Texas.